these shape buttons can be used for sorting or for doing patterns. Because they have shapes, use the opportunity to also practice shape vocabulary. So you could do a triangle, square, circle, and then triangle, square, circle. These foam sticks can be used as counters, they can be used for doing patterns, or you can use them for building shapes. And remember to count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Connectors can be used as counters, they can be used for doing patterns, but you can also use them for number comparisons. So if we do something like this, you can ask your learners which color has more, how many more red are there compared to green, how many red, how many green. So you're asking questions around number quantities. These are just shape connectors. Again, you can use them, you can do color sorting, or you can do different patterns. So you can do circles and triangles and then continue on with that pattern. Okay, so with these two dice, what you're going to do is you're going to roll them, and then you're going to see if you can make a word. So we have 2. Here we just have vowel paper plates, so we have all of our vowels. What you can do with your learners is you can take one vowel each day, so let's say we do a, and then you can go around the class and ask children to think of words starting with a. So apple, ant, antelope, etc. In this activity, what you do is you roll the dice. Okay, so we have a number 5. So you go to number 5, you look at the pictures, and then you just say the first sound of each of the pictures. So d, b, z, a, p, k. Five-finger retell is something you can do once you've read a story or a comprehension. So these are the 5 most important things when you're testing learners' listening and how they were following the story. So for example, if you take your reading book and you read it, you can see that the characters are Tippy and the bug, the setting is wherever they're playing, and then what happens in the story from beginning, middle to end. This activity we're going to use for data handling. So what you can do is you can come up with categories. So here I have wild animals. Then you hand out one sticker to each of your learners, okay? Then you ask them to put their sticker with their favorite animal. Okay, so I'm just going to stop here for demonstration's sake. So then from here, you'll be able to ask questions around the data set. So how many people like zebra? Only 1. Which is the most popular animal? You can see it's the rhino. How many more people like rhino compared to lion? And questions like that. So it's just a practical way of doing a bar graph, a survey, and getting learners involved in data handling.